Hey, you guys, Jesse here with Summit 4x4 Company. I'm with Tom. Tom's our winner for our recent giveaway here. Tom's got a beautiful Prospector here. Obviously, you guys love it, we love it, which is why he was the winner of the giveaway. So, Tom, tell us briefly just about the truck here a little bit.
So I went from a 5th gen 4Runner, super modded out 4Runner, upgraded to this bad boy. The main reason I did that is because I want to start doing some long distance overlanding, different states, going up to Wyoming, Montana, stuff like that. And I figured what better vehicle than the AEV Prospector XL with a 4-wheel camper on the back. So I've had it for about 4 months. I absolutely love it. The guys who say, oh, a full-size truck can't get where Jeeps can, well, you can ask all my Jeep buddies. I definitely been able to keep up so far, so I love it.
Cool, awesome. And hey, if people want to follow along with your drink, you got an Instagram page and stuff?
I got an Instagram. It's Made for Dirt, MDE4DRT.
Cool, you guys. So hey, keep an eye on, give him a follow on there, check out his adventures and stuff, and keep an eye out for our next giveaway. Thank you to everybody that participated. Tom's getting hooked up here with a beanie, coffee cup, sweatshirt, a t-shirt, some socks, some stickers, some patches. So hope you enjoy, man. Hopefully it'll keep you warm.
I'm your walking billboard now.
Cool, appreciate it, man. Thanks so much.
Appreciate it.
You gonna say something?
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I guess we're recording. So
Well, I'm looking like an idiot now. I thought we were doing a photo.
this will go in the blooper.
In the live.
This will go in the blooper.
All right.